Here's how you know whether you should dump a girl or wife her up. It all comes down to math. Let's say you went on 3 dates with this girl, and for simple math, let's say you spent $200 each date, and you smashed twice. The first time she didn't want to seem like, On the second date, you smashed, then you smashed again on the third date. Fantastic. We take this total number, which is 600, divided by how many times you smash, and that gives you your CPS, your cost per smash. And for this example, 600, you smash twice, that gives you a cost per smash of $300. All smashes aren't considered equal, so we have to rate the quality of the smash. So let's say the first time, it was about 8. It was great, but she didn't want to seem like so she held back a little bit. But then the second time you smash, she gets crazy, lets it all hang out. Let the freak out. That gives you 10. This formula gives her a smash quality score of 18. So what we want to do now is take our cost per smash and divide it by our smash quality score. That's going to give us our smash quality cost. In this case, we have a cost per smash of $300 and a smash quality score of 18, which gives us a smash quality cost of 16.7. Ideally, you want your cost per smash to drop and your smash quality score to increase, which will lower your overall smash quality costs. Let me show you what that looks like. So let's say you've been dating this woman for a while. You go on 1 date with her and you spend $200, but you smash 3 times with a smash quality score of 10 on each round. This brings our cost per smash down to $66.70. We divide that by our new smash quality score of a whopping 30, which gives us a smash quality cost of only $2.22. I think this is wiping material. You can go ahead and put a ring on that. In fact, I recommend considering wiping up any woman with a smash quality cost below $5. However, you got to decide what your threshold is. That's what you want to see, ideally, over time, your smash quality cost to drop. We started off with this woman with 16, got the cost all the way down to $2.22. If your smash quality cost starts to increase, you probably want to waive her, let her test free agency out on the open market. It's okay if you start off with a high smash quality cost, as long as it keeps getting lower over time. That's how you know you got wifey material. But cost is all relative. What you really need to do is get your money right. Now, the only way you can lower your smash quality cost is to actually improve yourself as a man, so the woman is actually excited to be with you instead of just fucking you for free dinners. And the way you bring it down is by building your own business, building your social media, building your value as a man, so smashing you is like a win for her. I did that by growing my online fitness business. I'm doing a free training where I'll show you how to grow your online fitness business for free. Even if you don't have any experience, even if you never did this before, even if you're not certified, I'll show you exactly how you can go from 0 to getting your first online training client. Go to this link right now to register for the free class. It's going to get filled up. We only have so many spots available. You do not want to miss the opportunity.